Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to get Gmail as a desktop client. So are you tired of paying for Outlook? Because I am. So when you are on Edge, you need Edge for this, and you're gonna have to install an app. So I made a video on how to install an app. I'm gonna put in the link in the description below. But we're gonna do the same thing for Gmail. So you're in your Gmail, make sure that you have your apps here located, right? And then after that, you're going to want to go to your settings, right? And then, oops, sorry, you want to go down to more tools, okay? And then you're going to want to go to apps after that, and then install this site as an app. But we're in the Gmail. So we're going to go here and then go back to more tools and then go to apps and then install this site as an app. And you're going to have Gmail. And then it's going to install it. And now you have Gmail as a desktop client. So now you can pin it to your taskbar. I can X out of it. I can hit yes. Now I have it on my bottom taskbar where I will always have my email here. So that's how you get it on there. We can go over here. We can go to AquaTech. Well, I guess every time you change accounts, you have to. Okay, I guess you have to create a new one. But yeah, so this is good here.